Welcome everybody to Mark Bajerski YouTube channel. Welcome to the Pure Energy Healing Academy. Today we're going to discuss an oil called Blend of the Healer. But in between that, what we'll do is we'll do what's called a cleansing of the body temple. And it's what I've been doing now for the past 3 months. And I do this depending on how I'm feeling at any given moment. The reason why I do it is because I believe that if your body temple is clear of negative energy, if your body temple is working at its maximum, you will find that your whole body will heal physically as well as mentally and emotionally. I created this oil blend of a healer to purposely tackle 3 different types of, let's call energy, negative energy. That would be the physical energy manifestation of blocks, issues, problems, shock energy that sit in the body, and in certain parts of the body where it sits there, it's like a trash can. It's like a negative energy around a certain part of the body. Thus, all your workforce, whenever you have an issue that you digest poison, which most people do all day long, whether it's plastic, whether it's purpose, we know what they're injecting into our foods, all the food colorings and so on. So we need to understand that the body tries to pick that up and put it somewhere, and it always puts it in a place where it's the most negative. So if you have negative energy in your body, it will put it in that place. That's why a lot of people who end up with cancer end up with a cancer that is relative to the spiritual and the trauma that you've been through, where that energy sits and stays. And I've talked about this for many years. So my thought process was, can we clear the body with something like an oil that will penetrate and start to physically get stronger in that certain place? Can we clear that away with not just oils that will work on a spiritual level, but work on a physical level? So once we clear that energy out, then it starts getting stronger. And how do we clear it out? My sole focus for at least 1 week, when I was putting energy healing into this, was to focus on a certain place and to see that place being disrupted, being cleared, being taken away. So whatever happens, if you have an issue in the body where there is trapped, like say heavy metals or whatever it is there, I was trying to pull that out and get it out of your body. And I've been using this oil now. A couple of other people are saying that they are actually detoxing, say they're purging, they're clearing. So it looks good thus far. So this part is where I would share with you, if you use this oil on, let's say, if you can use it on a daily basis, that would be lovely. If you use it whenever you feel like you need to use it, I want you to focus on this kind of like little ritual. And ritual is a good thing. It's not a bad word. It's been hijacked. A little routine, a little ceremony on yourself. And the focus of this would be to clear your body of everything that should not be there, to purge and to cleanse and clear. The oil has various smells, and in them smells, which come from plants, flowers, rare flowers, by the way, some really rare ones that when you breathe in, it will stimulate your body to clear and purge. So what we'll do is what I've been doing now for these past 3 months. So just follow away if you want. So remember, we're trying to clear the body. We're trying to get that body so strong that there is no illness or dis-ease in there. And that's the purpose of this little beautiful ritual that I do. And maybe it might really work, it might not work, but you can at least give it a try. And if you make that commitment to do it twice a day or 3 times a day for the next 3 months, and then look back over that 3 months and then ask yourself, did that actually work? Am I in a better place? Thus far, myself and many others are saying that they are in the best place they've ever been, and they've been using this and doing exactly the same thing that they've normally done from day to day. They eat the same, they drink the same, they listen to the same music, they get on with their life, but the only thing that's changed is by doing this little routine. So you can try it. So when you get the blend of the healer, we open it up and take 1, 2, 3 drips. Just 3 drips, 3 drops is all you need. Okay. Rub your hands together. And what we're doing now is we're going to intake this smell, and it's going to run through the body. So in hand, cup your hands, keep your fingers away from your eyes. So when you put your nose right into that smell, you're going to breathe in for 7 seconds and hold that breath in 7 seconds. In that 7 seconds of holding your breath, you're going to turn your head and you're going to exhale through your mouth only to release all that was trapped inside there. And once you've done that for 7 seconds, you go back again to here and repeat by holding your breath again for 7 seconds. Okay, so let's do it together. Okay, when you've done that round 7 times, massage the rest of the oil here on your temples, back of the neck, crown, and then on your heart, all around your heart. Okay, perfect. That's it. So once in the morning, once before you go to bed, and through the day, listen to your body and see how it feels. It might want to say, hey, I'd like some more of that. We're getting rid of something here. It's working. And my body and your body will tell you it's feeling better. Your body's saying, hey, this is good. This is really helping us inside to help clear what needs to be cleared. It's like a boost. It's like keeping your energy level high. It's like spiritually and physically keeping your immune system strong. That is a recommendation. That is what I do. That's what I've been doing. And that's how I recommend this oil to you in this sense of clearing the body temple. It does a lot more than that, but this is a great start. Have a lovely day, and I hope you appreciate the blend of the healer. Take care.